Hola y bienvenido al EdPuzzle número 4, los mandatos to negativos. La semana pasada usamos mucho los mandatos to afirmativos para darle consejos a un amigo o amiga sobre una entrevista, por ejemplo. Dijimos, prepárate para la entrevista. Lleva ropa apropiada a la entrevista. Pregúntale al jefe sobre el horario y el salario. ¿Ok? Y recuerden la fórmula para formar los mandatos to afirmativos. ¿Ok? Ahora, en esta lección vamos a ver cómo formamos los mandatos to negativos. Don't do whatever. ¿Ok? Escribe los apuntes. Los mandatos to negativos regulares. ¿Ok? Empezamos con el yo presente menos el o, take it away, más es o as. ¿Ok? Pero lo importante es, here you are adding the opposite ending. If it's an AR verb, the ending is es. If it's an ER or IR verb, the ending will be as. ¿Ok? Vamos a ver unos ejemplos. Comer. Yo presente como, menos o es com, más as, comas. No comas mucho azúcar. ¿Ok? No comas mucho azúcar. Otro ejemplo. Hablar. ¿Ok? Yo presente, hablo, menos o, habla. ¿Ok? Más es, hables. No hables inglés en la clase de español. ¿Ok? No hables inglés en la clase de español. Otro ejemplo. Hacer. ¿Ok? Yo presente, hago. ¿Sí? Yo hago, menos o, hag, más as, hagas. No hagas la tarea en el coche. Ok, vamos a ver más ejemplos de verbos regulares. Don't drink a lot of soda. No bebas muchos refrescos. No bebas. ¿Sí? Bebo, menos o, más as. No bebas muchos refrescos. Este niño no tiene libros. Okay, don't come. So the verb is venir. Okay, think yo vengo. Okay, vengo, menos o, más as. No vengas a la clase sin tus libros. No vengas. Okay. Oh, ¿qué dice la abuelita en la película Coco? Don't leave. She does not want Miguel to leave the house. Okay. Salir. Piensa en salir. Yo salgo. Ok. Más as. No salgas. Dicen, no salgas. Ok. Ahora vamos a practicar unos mandatos to negativos regulares con unas preguntas EdPuzzle. Remember that you should answer the questions as they appear. Watching these videos and answering the questions is a required part of the course, but you're not graded on your performance. Okay, you'll get a grade for the EdPuzzle lesson, but that's a measure of how accurately you answered the questions. It's not counted as part of your overall academic grade. But if you get below an 85, you should practice the skill more. Talk to your teacher about what you need to do to practice more. ¡Vamos! Okay, so we learned to do regular to negative commands. Cuidado, look out. Okay, there are some regular commands that have a spelling change. We're going to look at those now. Cuidado. Some verbs have spelling changes in the to negative command form. They have this to maintain consonant sounds of the infinitive verb. Okay, so it's to maintain sounds like k, g, and s. These verbs still follow the rule yo presente, menos o, más as or es. But there's a spelling change before the ending for the as or es. Okay, so this is true for verbs that end in car, okay, like sacar, practicar, tocar. Okay, there's a spelling change to Q-U-E-S to keep the k, toques, okay? So, por ejemplo, don't take out your books. No saques los libros. No saques. Q-U-E-S. No saques. Okay, so car verbs. Verbs that end in G-A-R. Gar verbs. We want to keep the g sound. Okay? So we get that with an E, we need a U to keep the g sound. So don't play soccer here in the house. Por ejemplo, think about the yo presente de jugar. Juego. Okay? No juegues. G-U-E-S. No juegues fútbol aquí. No juegues. Okay? Car, gar, and sar. The ZAR verbs in the to negativo command form change to CES. So don't eat lunch in the library. Think about almorzar. No almuerces en la biblioteca. Okay, this UE spelling change is because the yo present is almuerzo. The C is to keep the Z sound of almorzar. No almuerces en la biblioteca. Okay, vamos a practicar más mandatos to negativos regulares con unas preguntas EdPuzzle. Remember to answer these questions. This isn't part of your overall grade for the course, but it does let you know how you're doing with this topic. Vamos! Okay, we've looked at two negative commands, regular forms of two negative commands. Now you may be wondering, los pronombres, ¿qué hacemos con los pronombres? Well, se escriben los pronombres antes de los mandatos negativos, ¿ok? Tú negativo, usted negativo, nosotros negativo. Se escriben los pronombres antes de los mandatos negativos. This is different than with affirmative commands. With affirmative commands, pronouns go on the end. With negative commands, pronouns go before the command. So, no te duermas en clase. Okay, no te duermas en clase. Don't fall asleep. Okay, you have your pronombre reflexivo, tú, and you have your to negative command form, duermas. No te duermas en la clase. No te acuestes tarde. Right? Don't go to sleep late. Again, you have your pronombre reflexivo, tú, te, and your negative command. Acuesto menos o más es no te acuestes tarde. Okay, so you have the regular to negative command form. The pronoun goes before it. No la hagas. Okay, so do it. It is here is homework, la tarea. The direct object pronoun goes before. It should be la. No la hagas. Don't do it. No me digas. No me digas is a phrase you probably heard. So, de decir, don't tell me. You don't say. Okay? Don't tell me. Don't tell me. You don't say. ¿En serio? No me digas. So, digas, de decir, right? Digo, digas. And me is the pronoun. You don't tell me. Okay, Vamos a practicar unos mandatos to negativos con pronombres, con unas preguntas EdPuzzle. You know the drill here. Vamos. Ok, finalmente hablamos de los mandatos to afirmativos regulares, los pronombres. Ahora, claro, tenemos unos mandatos to negativos irregulares. ¿Ok? Los mandatos to negativos irregulares son irregulares porque no siguen la fórmula yo presente menos a más es o as. Okay? They don't follow that rule. The reason they don't follow that rule is their yo presente does not end in an o, right? Dar, estar, ir, ser y saber. So they have forms you just need to memorize. Dar is no des. No des. Don't give. Okay? You'll be wanting to write these down. No me des tu basura. Don't give me your trash. No me des tu basura. Okay? Put the pronoun before it. No des. No me des. Estar. No estés. Don't be a way, don't be in a condition or state. No estés nervioso. Vamos a practicar más. Okay? No estés nervioso. Vamos a practicar más. Estés tiene acento. That should have an accent. Ir is vayas. No vayas. Don't go. No vayas al parque. Hace frío. Don't go to the park. It's cold. No vayas al parque. Ser, seas, seas. Don't be an essence or something, personality trait. No seas perezoso. Trabaja. No seas perezoso. Trabaja. Saber is sepas. Sepas. It would be don't know, like information or don't know how to do something. It's not a common way to use a command. This would be used for other grammatical things, but not really command. So these are your 5 irregular to negative commands. Estés does have an accent. Sorry for that error. No estés nervioso. Ok, finalmente vamos a practicar los mandatos to negativos irregulares con unas preguntas EdPuzzle. You know the drill. And here you go. Vamos.